So we already know about force, we already know about state of motion, and we already know about contact forces. So just give me answer of these few questions so I can know that you guys know about these forces. First one, is pushing something a force? Correct. Is pulling something a force? Correct. It's also a force. Is imagining something a force? Right, it's not a force. So you guys are well aware of the topic forces. Now tell me one thing. If I'm going to push something in this direction, is it going to move here or is it going to come back? Very nice. It's going in this direction. So you guys are well aware of the state of motion as well. Now we are going to study about the non-contact forces, and we are going to do this by 3 activities. Yes, we'll be using our pen a lot, but not for writing. Now what we are going to do here is, I'm going to take a pen and I'm going to just leave it right here. Now if there is any force that is pulling it downwards, it will fall down. If there is no force, it will just stay right here. But it's very common, we all know, we have seen it, that if I'm going to throw it from here, it's going to fall down. Another thing which I'm going to do is, I'm going to throw it upwards and see what happens. I threw it up and it fell down. Now why is this happening? This is happening because of gravitational force. It is a force which we can't see, but it is happening everywhere. Everywhere means everywhere in this world, in this universe, especially on Earth, which we can see. Like I'm jumping and I fell down. I'm not pushing myself down, but still I did fall. Now something unique is happening. You can see that everyone is going down, everything is going down, but is this force always exerts a downward force? What can I say? If you are pushing something, is it always a downward force or it acts in any direction? Now the thing is, it actually acts at center of a place. 2 masses, and those 2 masses attract each other. I'll show you an example. This is a diagram I have made of Mother Earth, and you can see this person who is standing at the North Pole. Is it North Pole? Yeah, it is North Pole. The person who is standing at the North Pole is standing upright, the way you think we are standing. The person who are standing on the equator are actually lying down. That is funny. And the person who is standing at the South Pole is Baba Ramdev for us, because he is doing Shirshasana, which we all can't do. So that is a funny thing. But here is the point. Gravitational force always acts at the center. Now we are going to talk about the second force, which is the magnetic force. For that, I have taken this magnet. Actually, it's heart-shaped magnet, but it's not a very strong magnet. And we have a 1 rupee coin. Now what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to take this magnet and pull it using this magnet. I'm not going to touch it. It's just going to come up itself. It did it. Oops. Yep. I'm going to use this 1 rupee note again, and I'm going to do it again. This time magnet is attracted to it. Now what is exactly happening here? This is another force, another non-contact force. It is called magnetic force. How many of you here are Hrithik Roshan fans? Okay, almost everyone. So you guys are aware of the movie War. You must have seen it, right? There's a scene where Hrithik Roshan does this with an object and a chair comes right after him, right? That is because of the magnetic force. Yup. Magnetic force can be that strong as well. Now I'm going to do the third experiment, which is the electrostatic force. I have taken these few bits of paper, and this is a ruler which I'm going to rub on my head. Rub, 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 and putting it right here. Oops! Wow! Magic. Some more magic. Again. Rub, 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 rub. Magic again. Magic again. I'm not even touching it. There's nothing there is touched, but still those bits of papers are coming up. This is due to a force that is called as electrostatic force. Now right here I'm going to leave you with an exercise that you take different objects, rub it on your hair, and try to attract these pieces of paper. I'll talk to you after 5 minutes and I'll see how many objects are there which you can attract through rubbing that objects on your hair. Okay, so your time starts now. 3, 2, 1, go.